Hi everyone, what's up? Thank you so much for being here. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Jessie, and today's topic is going to be about the Colourpop eyeshadow palette, which is the Element of Surprise. So you guys have seen my latest video, not really like latest, but you know, the video that I made about Colourpop in Ulta, and I told you guys that I will be making a dedicated video on this one, so here it is. So at first, let's talk about the box packaging first, as always, and this is what it looks like. And at the back, you can see some of the names. It pretty much is, it looks exactly like the actual packaging. So you will be getting 12 eyeshadows and 12.60 grams in total. And this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. You know what's funny? Like, even though this is made out of a cardboard, it has a little bit of weight on it. So it's not like super lightweight, just like the other Makeup Revolution palettes. This one is a little heavy, which is really nice because it doesn't feel like, even if it's made out of cardboard, it doesn't feel like it's cheaply made. Now, at the back, it's the same exact thing with the box packaging. You are going to see what you are going to get. And I'm going to show you guys some swatches first, and then after that, I'm going to show you guys how the eyeshadows work, and this is what actually I came up with. So yeah, let's start. You know what? I can do the swatches right now. Like, I'll just remove my jacket. It's really cool, guys. Like, you have no idea. I'm going to swatch from here to here. Feel really nice. And I'm going to swatch it in the back of my hand without any base. I'm pretty much direct to the point with this video. Look at that. Awesome. They are very nice. And let me just get this. I can clean my hand. Moving on to the second row. That is really pretty. Looks like an iridescent purple. There's something in my throat, like, excuse me guys. Excuse me. I'm getting sick. Look at that. Very beautiful. And some of the metallics are a little creamy, and the mattes are very smooth and super nice. Whoa, that is intense. Look at that. Ooh, wow. Wait. I haven't really swatched them. I just directly put it on my eyes before I even swatch them. That's why I'm pretty much surprised with the pigmentation of some of these eyeshadows, because I only use like a couple of them. So here are all your swatches. I'm gonna zoom my, you know what? I can do that. Why can I just not do that? There you go. So you guys could clearly see this one is a little patchy. Or is it the way I swatched it? But you will see later on how it applies on my eyes. It's really nice. It's really rich. And you know what? You can even use your Ulta coupon with this, which is amazing. So if you guys are wondering if you can use the $3.50 coupon, yes, you can. So those are all your eyeshadow swatches. Now let's move on to the tutorial. So first, I'm going to get this shade right over here. I'm going to mix it with a little bit of foundation because the first time I have applied it, it actually has like its true color, what it looks like in the pan. I thought it's going to be a little luminous, but it was actually really pigmented. And then the next shade that I'm going to get is this one. As always, I'm going to do a light transitioning on my crease because I will be doing a halo eye. I recently got really so obsessed with the halo eye makeup look, so if you're tired of that, I am so sorry, but I'm trying to use as much as shades as I can, and I'm going to get this shade right over here, and yes, I'm going to put that on my crease as well. We're going to be doing a lot of buildup in this look, but I promise you, once it is all done, it's going to look poppin'. After that, I'm gonna get the most interesting shade on this palette, which is this pink color. You guys know me, I love pink, white, and gold, so I'm gonna use that on my crease. Yes, 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 yes. So I'm just gonna apply it generously right now, but I'm just giving you an idea on how I apply it, but off camera, I'm gonna add a little bit more. I'm trying to go slowly because I don't want it to be like a little blotchy. And then I'm gonna get that shade as well. I'm surprised because MAC has the same shade like that, but it's almost the same pigmentation. It is crazy. It is really pigmented. Like, I can't even, like, I'm so overwhelmed to think that the price point is just $16. It's really mind-blowing. Though the pan size is tiny, it's not the regular, you know, pan size the same as MAC, but girl, you're getting a lot of shades, and for the price, it's hard to complain, girl. And then for my lid, I am going to get this shade right over here. I love how beautiful that is. It looks like rose gold, but when you swatch it, it looks different. So I'm gonna apply that with my dense brush. Just like that. I am really pressing it. Also, if you are wondering, yes, a flat synthetic brush will work just as fine, or your fingers. So what I'm doing right now is that I'm just using the leftovers of the brush and apply that under my eye. So after that, I am going to apply some lashes, and the lashes, I don't know what it's called because a friend just gave it to me. So it's Charity that gave this to me. Thank you. So I just finished the rest of my makeup, and this is what it looks like. Can't think of anything bad about this palette. The price point is so unreal, and you can even use a coupon on it. Like, how do they even get a benefit from this, you know? It's amazing. I feel like they're helping out people who are on a budget. The quality is there. Definitely, you know what? I may stop buying high-end brands from today, or I don't know, not unless it's like a limited edition, but independent brands, like indie brands, are like really... they are going up there, girl. The only thing is that they have a disclaimer right over here that some of the eyeshadows is not intended for use in the immediate eye areas. But most of the shades that contain that ingredient is actually this, and this. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? But I have used all of that, and I will be editing my description box just in case I feel something weird. Is there like a burning sensation or itching sensation? But I don't feel anything at all. Overall, it's such a good palette, and I don't regret buying it. It's amazing, and you can also use a coupon. And if you don't believe me, you can just go to Ulta and swatch it for yourself. It's really good. It's really good, okay? I love it. Like, I totally recommend it. Like, first impression, like, it's so hard for me to say that in most of my videos, but this one, it really convinced me. Like, alright guys, so if you are still not part of the Sassy family, go ahead and subscribe. I upload Mondays to Fridays, sometimes Saturday and Sundays as well. Pretty much I upload every day, usually in the morning, so if you're that person who wants to chill every morning with me while getting ready for work, hit the subscribe button and notifications bell. I'll see you guys next time.